Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Haft here in Fond du Lac. We got the leftover special here, folks. How you doing, Mark? Coca-Cola, it says on there. That's pretty awesome. This is an 81 Goldwing Autocycle. Okay. We got a Chrysler here. LeBaron. And we got Infiniti here. It's a beautiful car. Okay. And then we got the Chevrolet Corvette. This is a Toyota, and it says Paradigm on there. I think that's some kind of club. It's got BBS wheels on there. It's a nice car too. There's another Paradigm car. And it says stock turbo, stock trans, stock blocks, 9-second quarter mile digs. Paradigm 2, and this one's a Toyota Supra. 9-second quarter mile, that is flying. We got a BMW here. And then we got a Subaru. We got a Subaru, this is kind of like an SUV on it, but looks like they hopped this up. Chevy Camaro. It's got a tow hook on it. We got a GTI here. Ford Fusion. Some of these are just show cars and some aren't. Not a Paradigm. There's one of those Honda factory choppers. Tried hard to make it look like a Harley. We got a nice Mustang GT, and then we got a nice car there, and a pickup truck. We got a BMW GTI, another GTI. They must be friends. And a Ford, Chevy Trax. Some motorcycles, the guy's got the one for sale. This is a nice Audi. There's not much room for anything in here. This what do they say? RS. Looks nice. This is a Bentley, huh? An Audi. Got a very nice Clipper 6. Lucifer, they call it. This is an interesting motorcycle. It says Dragster on that. MV Agusta. That's what that is. Very cool motorcycle. MV Agusta, huh? What? MV Agusta, that is, huh? Beautiful. That thing sounds nice. There's a big tire ride. Okay.
I know what.
We got a nice Ford here. It's got dual EcoBoost 6. This is the 305. The Kia. That looks nice, that engine. That's an Infiniti Accord. This is a Honda. And we got the Duster with the 340 Magnum 4-barrel. That looks awesome, that Duster. Yes, it does. Real nice shape, real clean. We got X5 M series. It's performance, the M ones. Okay. And we got ourselves a nice Roadster here. Very nice. Chrome front end. It's got the blower on it. It has air conditioning too. Dual quads. It's got the chopped top on it. Very nice. Very clean. Very nice. And this is a sports model of the BMW. This is the M3. Another sports model. And this is a 337, the ultimate street car, it says. It's nice in there. Oh, this is a Porsche, huh? Oh, it's an older Porsche, I see. He's got it set up for the track. Advanced Auto Parts. A nice spoiler, that's pretty wild on there. And there's a Honda, that's SU2000. And we got, this thing is like almost all carbon.
What was my GT though?
There's a bunch of other cars back here, folks. You can see them. We're gonna go through here. That's interesting, that intake was that Kinetics. This is the Datsun Z car. It's an Audi TFSI. And this must be a lady's car. Happy Endings. Oh, that's cool. I like those intakes on there. It's all red too. Grim Speed, it says on there. Another Happy Endings. GT350. Oh, cool, man. Got a Brembo brakes in front. That's nice. Subaru.
Let's get it to the road and before we start really trying to push on it. Actually, you got a hill here. Try it.
You got it running. That's cool. There's a Porsche down there too.
It
It's
sounds
nice.
right. It didn't sound very well.
Sometimes like the stock headers.
Yeah, he was telling me about it.
It's a great street scene here, folks. No problems. Just people having fun. Mostly young people. They're all into these a lot of imports and stuff like that. Sounds pretty good. All right, folks. That's going to end it for this trip.